next test we are going to talk about is the Raven's intelligence test. Raven's intelligence test is free from effects of language and culture because it is a non-verbal group test typically used in the educational field. Now it is a test which is free from language. They do not use much of a language, okay, and it is free from cultural barriers also. Why cultural barriers? Let's say I don't understand the language English, and if the test is in English, how am I supposed to give the test, right? So the test is such that you have to identify things and you have to find the correct number and what will come after what and all those things, which makes minimum use of language. So this test is very useful in the educational field to give it to the children, okay? And often sometimes what happens that children don't understand language. Let us say if I am giving a test to a child and the child does not understand what this word means, okay, and the child feels embarrassed to ask the teacher, ma'am, what does this word mean? Then what will the child do? Kuch bhi tick kar dete hai na. So in order to avoid any problems like these, this test was developed, okay, which was called as the Raven's intelligence test. It's also called as Raven's progressive matrices so this test is also called as Raven's progressive matrices, RPM. Please remember the full forms. In 1936, John C. Raven prepared this test. This test was prepared by the psychologist whose name was John C. Raven. It is basically used in measuring abstract reasoning. Abstract reasoning એટલે you look at the blocks, you look at this, you find the correct digit, you find the correct numbers. That is called as abstract reasoning. It is the most common and the popular test administered from 5 years old to adults. So from the people who are 5 years old to the adult, this test is given. It is made up of 60 multiple choice questions. So there are 60 multiple choice questions which are given, where they are given patterns, they are given figures, they are given numbers, and you have to identify the correct figure, pattern, number, okay. Many patterns are presented in the form of 6 into 6, 4 into 4, 3 into 3, 2 into 2 matrix. Like આવી રીતના numbers આપ્યા છે 6 into 6, 4 into 4, 3 into 3, 2 into 2, which is the next number that will come, okay, like that. And for people with different abilities, like people with જે લોકો different abilities હોય, okay, like let's say somebody is good in maths, somebody is good in language, તો લોકોની કઈ ability સારી છે, language ability સારી છે કે maths ability સારી છે કે logical reasoning સારી છે, એ abilities જોવા માટે this test is given, okay. Now in the book they have given you an example, okay, of an Raven's intelligence test, and the other example they had given over here is 6 into 6, 4 into 4, 3 into 3, 2 into 2, which is the next digit that will come, okay, or the find the odd one out. All these things are included in the Raven's intelligence test. The next is the Kaufman's intelligence test. American psychologist Professor Alan S. Kaufman became world famous because of his intelligence test, okay. So American psychologist and a professor whose name was Alan S. Kaufman, he became very popular because of the intelligence test. He developed the original Kaufman assessment battery for children. So his test was called what? Kaufman assessment battery for children, and several other psychological and educational tests. So along with it, he developed many other tests which were psychological tests, which were educational tests. Okay, why educational tests? Sometimes I need to find out which students in my class are intelligent, which students are dull, which students have learning disability. You know what is learning disability? If you would have watched the movie Tare Zameen Par, so એને numbers learn કરવામાં problem થતી, alphabets learn કરવામાં problem થતી, right? Like that child. So એ જોવા માટે કે મારા ક્લાસમાં કયા એવા સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ છે, educational tests are there for children to make me understand which children fall into which IQ, which children I have to give more importance to, okay. He also developed Kaufman's Brief Intelligence Test, KBIT, and also prepared the second edition, which is very important. So he developed another test which was called as Kaufman Brief Intelligence, K/BIT, and second edition is also there. For adults measurement of intelligence, he also prepared Kaufman's adolescent and adult intelligence test. So for adult and for teenagers, he developed a test which was called as Kaufman adolescent and adult intelligence test. The revised edition of his test was published in 2004 and 2005. The revised edition was published in 2004 and 2005. Okay.